Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mentor Psalmist. I'm appreciating you that as you've started listening and watching the slides, you're going to watch to the end. This video is actually dedicated to beginners in affiliate marketing or those that have been doing it but are not getting good rewards. Learn while I teach. Now, you can make $100 to $500 in a month on affiliate marketing, most especially Digitstem. I know you know about Expertnaire, Selar, Upwork, and the likes. So kindly sit while I teach you what you need to know. The video is actually dedicated to those that want to make money using the ultimate money machine. So I want you to listen attentively while I give you the procedures on doing that. Thank you for subscribing on my channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I appreciate. In Nigeria, we used to say wahala no dey finish, problem no dey finish. If you don't know the problem which is in your life or in your business or in whatsoever thing you do, you can't know the solution to it. When you identify the problem or the source for the problem in any business you do, then you know a solution to it. I am here to teach you on how to secure your future. Frankly speaking, school will not teach you what Robert Kiyosaki said about the cash flow quadrant. He said we have the employee, self-employed, the investors, and the business owner. You know the category which you belong to as you're listening to this video. Now I'm going to talk strictly on the investors and business owners. As an investor, you know how you invest your money on crypto, invest your money on bet sites, invest your money on MMM, all those Ponzi scheme. You know how you do that. You're actually investing your money on it, and it's giving you a passive income. And every time you keep on putting your money and your resources on it, which you'll be getting passive income. At times you fail doing that. But the one I'm about to tell you now is how to become a business owner. Somebody is doing something and you buy the person's idea and you are actually selling that thing and you are getting profit as the person is getting profit. It makes you a business owner. Next is, what is affiliate marketing? On a layman language, affiliate marketing is when somebody stands as a middleman between the person buying a product and the person selling the product. And these products are not just physical products or products that you thought. It's not buying of clothes, buying of foodstuffs and the likes. You get it? It could be between somebody that knows how to do something to somebody that is wanting to buy that thing, or a company selling a product and somebody wanting to buy that product. And digital products are how to create websites, how to create ebook, graphic designing, how to make videos, how to do presentation, how to be a good musician, how to be a wedding planner and the likes. How affiliate marketing works is simple, whereby you have a link of a product whereby your viewers or your audience click on those links, they visit and buy those products and you earn money. So simple as that. What will not make you successful in this business is copying others, not having product knowledge, not investing in affiliate marketing tools, not doing an affiliate marketing training, lacking strategies that works. Number 6, relying on one affiliate program. Relying on high commission affiliate programs. Some people just want to be looking for those links that will give you more money, forgetting the fact there's not everybody that is that boxed up to start up with a big amount with that 50,000 naira you want him or her to do. Some is not applying for the CEO strategy, not building trust in your audience. You can't even tell them what you are selling, not disclosing affiliate link. You have the link and you don't want them to see it. You don't want them to know this is what you're doing. It's totally wrong and a no-no. Having known all this problem, now what you need to know is what is Digitstem itself. Now, Digitstem is a digital marketplace where we help digital content creators connect with other customers to generate more sales, whereby you see so many people, you get their link on the platform and you sell for them and you get paid in selling for them. Fine, you don't know how to create that website, but somebody is doing it and you sell for that person and you earn in commission, most likely in 50%, some in 25%, some in 80%, depending on that. And the only way you can do this or to get started is to register on the Ultimate Money Machine course, which is just going for 20,000 naira. The course is 10,000 naira, and you registering on that platform so as to get access to the links is also 10,000 naira. That is it. As you can see, this 20,000 naira which this person paid using that order, and you pay with your card, and when you pay you get a confirmation that you have paid using that. So I'll be dropping my link so as to register on the platform. So you get a mail because you're going to input your name and your number and your email, where they will send you that okay, you can start up for that. So after when you've bought the course, you are going to learn this course. Take your time to learn it. It is just in 42 slides or so. And this is the interface for Digitstem, whereby you get to marketplace and you copy links and you sell. I'm going to show you on how to get product on the marketplace and how to keep on selling it on your social medias. Do you get it? But that course itself is going to teach you so many things on how to create ads on Facebook, Instagram, how to make use of your YouTube to create different slides on your YouTube so as to make us like the one you're watching now. This is going to teach you that as well. Do you get it? Kindly watch carefully so as to see the earnings people are done in Digitstem. While you're seeing all this money rolling in, kindly be aware that on the weekends, anytime you sell a product and the person buys, your commission will be sent to you on your dashboard on www.digitstem.com, and you're going to receive a mail from Digitstem itself telling you that you have sell so product to so person. Do we get it? And let us assume you are selling something for 20,000 naira, and you are getting a commission of 10,000 naira. It's so sweet. So that is it. Thank you for liking and commenting on this video, which I know you are doing right away, and you are subscribing. Kindly share this video to others so as to learn on how to make money on Digitstem. Thank you. That will be all for now.